Dental crowns are an everyday treatment that a large number of patients undertake to repair the shape of their teeth, the size and function of a tooth that has been damaged. The use of dental crowns is to shield a tooth that suffered extensive damage, for example, a huge tooth cavity, fracture, or break. It is also possible to use them to make a more attractive appearance for the tooth that is discolored or shaped badly. The most frequent question individuals have concerning dental crowns is the length of time they're likely to last. Each case is distinct and there are many variables that could impact the longevity of a dental crown. There are a few general rules which can give some idea of what to anticipate. The life expectancy of a crown for dental use is generally between 5 and 15 years. With proper upkeep and treatment, certain crowns will last longer. It is important to consider that the substance of the crown could also influence its lifespan. Ceramic crowns are more vulnerable to cracking and chipping as in comparison to gold or metal crowns. As a result, they might have to be replaced regularly. One of the main elements in determining how long the life of a dental cap is the high quality of the crown itself. If a crown is made perfectly and is correctly placed by a qualified dentist, is likely to be more durable than one that's not well made or fitting. That's why it's crucial to pick a reliable dentist that has expertise in restorative dental procedures to make sure that your crown lasts the longest possible time. Another crucial aspect that determines the life expectancy of the dental crown is how you care for it. Similar to natural teeth, dental crowns require regular maintenance and care to keep them in good working order. That means practicing proper routines for oral hygiene, such as brushing and flossing every day, avoid eating foods that may harm the crown, and making sure you visit your dentist on a regular basis for appointments and cleans. Certain lifestyles can impact the longevity of a crown. In particular, grinding your teeth or clenching them may put a lot of pressure on the crown, which can make it wear quicker. If you are prone of grinding or crushing your teeth, the dentist could suggest you wear the night guard to safeguard your crown during sleep. Sometimes the crown of your dental may have to be replaced earlier than you anticipated because of complications such as infection or decay under the crown. That's why it's essential to keep regular appointments by your dentist so that you can monitor the condition of your dental crown and fix any issues prior to they get more serious. The lifespan of dental crowns can be dependent on a range of aspects. When you choose a good crown, ensuring excellent oral hygiene and adhering to the advice of your dentist and recommendations, you will make sure your crown lasts the longest possible time. The bottom line is that dental crowns are able to last between 5 to 15 years or more with the right upkeep and treatment. When you select a reliable dentist, taking proper care of your crown, and fixing any issues quickly and efficiently, you will make sure that your crown stays healthy for many long time to follow. Make sure you follow your dentist's guidelines and plan regular appointments to check the health of your dental crown and to maintain the health of your mouth.